everyone, welcome back to my pantry reset. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite toast recipes. Now, before you turn off the video because you think I'm going to share an avocado recipe, I promise you there is no avocado toast in sight. Instead, I'm sharing one of my favorite year-round toast recipes that features a really easy, simple pantry ingredient: cooked beans. To get started, we're going to peel and mince 1 medium to large clove of garlic. From there, we'll heat a small skillet over medium heat, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and add that minced garlic to the pan. Saute for about a minute or two until the garlic is nice and golden and fragrant. Stir in 1 cup of pinto beans with their liquid, bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer, and let those pinto beans cook until most of the liquid has absorbed and the pinto beans are really tender, about 4 to 5 minutes. Remove from the heat, and it's time to assemble the toast. Toast your favorite slices of bread and spread about 2 teaspoons worth of stone ground mustard over each. Top with the pinto beans and then finish with your favorite toppings. A few of mine are minced parsley, feta, and a nice sprinkle of chili flakes, but that's only if you like a little bit of heat. This toast dish is so perfect if you're in a hurry and you already have some beans cooked up. I do have a couple of recommendations. I typically cook my pinto beans with a little bit of rosemary, and so if you're looking for a little bit of herb flavor within the beans themselves, I recommend chopping just a little bit of rosemary and adding to the pan as they're cooking. Another thing about the beans, if they're not salted beforehand, taste them as they're cooking and add a pinch of salt as needed. As you can see, this toast recipe is amazingly simple and perfect for really any type of year. It pairs well with roasted vegetables and a salad, and I eat this recipe for breakfast or dinner. Be sure to check back tomorrow for the next video in the series, and if you happen to make one of the recipes or try one of the tips, be sure to snap a photo and share it with the hashtag #PantryPower. Thanks for tuning in and happy cooking!